Hey guys, back with another video. This is my realistic eyebrow tutorial, so just keep on watching. These are the products that I normally like to use. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, love that stuff. Also the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, this is bomb as well. This ain't sponsored. And I also will use the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Concealer just to get everything, cleaned away. Lastly, I need around 4 brushes, spoolie, blending brush, usual eyebrow brushes, and a beauty blender, one mini, one big, and a highlighter of your choice if you like to use that. So let's go ahead and get started. So now, firstly, what I go ahead and do is take my spoolie brush and just comb out your eyebrows, just to get them to the shape that you prefer. Sometimes it just depends on, the occasion or how I feel I want to shape my eyebrows that day. So first I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. And this is in the color chocolate. I'll have everything listed below on the names of the products and the colors that I use in the description box. As you see, it's almost gone. So I go ahead and take that and kind of use it as a, as a guide to how I want to shape it. So I lightly take the brush, the angled brush, and I go underneath the eyebrow. So therefore it's more precise and it kind of gives me a guide so I can go back in and fill it in. And you want to make sure when you're filling it in, little by little, just so you don't have such a harsh look. So I just keep going back, back and forth with the product on the brush. And then, if I like it, I move on to the next one. And on this brow, you're just going to basically do the same exact method you just did on the other brow. Just take your brush and kind of, glide it against the eyebrow just to give it that natural look you're going for. And just keep going back and forth till you're happy with the arch of the eyebrow, the thickness of the eyebrow, the thinness of the eyebrow, however you prefer it. So just keep going back and forth. And as you see, I'm going back to the other eyebrow just for the simple fact that when I did the other, it was looking a little different than the other one. Of course, they're not going to be twins, so you just have to be patient and keep going with it till you like the shape of the eyebrow. Because lastly, what's going to happen next is your concealer is going to come into place where you're going to clean everything up. So the next thing I go ahead and do is take my spoolie brush, comb everything out, blend everything in. That's what your spoolie brush is also for, to help blend everything in. Make it more natural, blendable together, your hair plus the eyebrow. Then I'm going to go in with the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. This is in the shade number 6. I love this stuff. It is bomb. So I go on with this Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And this is something I just recently started doing together with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I go in just to darken it just a tad bit more because this is more of like a wax type of product. So it helps to kind of keep everything laid down and together. yeah, so I just basically go in, fill it in a little bit more with that brow pencil and just give it more of a shape. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I hope you guys have already clicked that like button and that subscribe. And while you're at it, go ahead and click that notification bell so you won't miss a beat on when I do post. I really appreciate it. And then, as you see, I'm looking at myself and realizing, wait, I missed a spot. And that happens. Just simply go back in and just fill it in. It's no biggie. Then you go in with the magic touch of your concealer. And this concealer is in the shade Deep Warm. And it's again by Ulta Beauty. And I basically go in underneath the brow and on top of the brow just to shape it some more. And recently what I started doing was just actually using the brush it came with just to shape it, because usually I would use a chisel type brush to put underneath, to go underneath the eyebrow, but this has just been working simply just fine, so I roll with it. Why not? And as you see, I go ahead and put the concealer on both top and bottom just to give me a more complete arch, complete look that I like to go for. I mean, I should just wear my concealer with my eyebrows looking like this. I don't see what's the problem. I'm just joking, you guys. But yeah, you just simply go back in with your concealer, just clean up all the mistakes, just kind of give it more of a complete look that you want to go for. And as you can see, sometimes it comes out thicker than what my eyebrows actually look like, but that's okay because the concealer cleans everything up. And as long as you're okay with it and it looks natural for you, girl, roll with it, okay? Girl power. And you want to go ahead and go in with the beauty blender, or, you know, an off-brand beauty blender like this one is. This is by Ulta Beauty. They still all work the same to me. But you just basically go in and blend all the concealer in so you have a cleaner look. And as you can see, it's coming out already. Hey now, hey. Oh. So yeah, you just basically do the same on the other side. Go in, clean it up. And I'm telling y'all, this is really my realistic eyebrow look. When, you know, you gotta go on the road, run some errands. You ain't trying to do too much, but you still trying to look like you did something. So yeah, this is it. Just go in and clean it all up. And then keep in mind, for me, I like to do my eyebrows first. Just because when I go in with my eyeshadow, if I want to do an eye look that day, I have everything basically eye-wise done. My eyebrows will be done, my eyebrows will be done, my eyes will be done. And then, you know, going with concealer, foundation, or pressed powder, whatever the case may be. So yeah, that's what I usually prefer. Then I basically just go in with my spoolie again. Look, the spoolie is going to be your best friend when it comes to doing your eyebrows, because that'll help keep everything together and natural looking for you. So you just go in, clean it up. Of course, look at me being goofy. I'm going to go in with the Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline. And I'll have the shade. I can't see it myself. I'm sorry if y'all can't see it as well. But I'm going to go ahead and go in with this highlighter and just use it underneath my brow bone. Just to give it a more, you know, oomph. So yeah, just, you know, go under it very lightly. Not too much. But yeah, that's simply it. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope you guys learned a little bit off of my realistic eyebrow tutorial. Till next time, guys. See you then.